Hello everyone! Driving is a right, not a privilege. At least according to these idiots. So what happens when alcohol, anger, and a whole lot of braking find the wrong victims? Well, let's find out. Get shipping insurance, folks. You never know what your packages go through. A biker who didn't know his place got a Nissan all giddied up. Literally. Follow this road west, it'll take you to Chicago. Brake check a semi twice, and it'll take you to instant karma.
I'm driving a truck here, and there's a guy on the pickup truck with the Texas license plate. He keeps skirting in front of me and, like brake checking me. I know why.
Why every car needs a dash cam.
This guy might be able to let you over to the...
Oh, boy!
He got angry because he didn't see the car with the dash cam merging. And now he won't see anything at all. Trucking isn't a profession, it's a brotherhood. If you ever feel dumb, just remember, he tried to stop a bus 10 times his car's size. Despite popular belief, not all Canadians are kind. Side mirrors and foot brakes have left the chat. When a brake checker and a tailgater meet. Error 404. Care for bumpers not found. The easiest way to transform from a driver to a bump on the road. Humility goes a long way, like saying sorry instead of engaging in more arguments.
Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up, boss?
You got a problem?
Issue?
You got a problem?
Got an issue?
I don't know. Do you have a problem?
You're following me, brother.
You're the one over here cutting me off, brake checking me. I got you on camera, buddy.
I don't care. You're following me.
It's okay. I got your tags. I got your
You
tags.
got me on camera?
Yep, I got your tags.
Camera, and you're following me, right?
It's okay. You're gonna receive a ticket later.
Go ahead.
All right. Have a great.
You can consider that red Honda Civic as a very slow learner. Every random car has the potential to be an undercover in Canada. The top 3 things that help you calm down: meditation, yoga, and realizing there's a camera. Every fraudster has that whip out the phone and play the victim card in their pocket. Watch how a camera makes a complete difference. He quickly disengaged as soon as he saw the dash cam. According to him, he accidentally hit the brakes instead of the gas pedal. As always, ignoring is the finest way of dealing with them. Yellow lines are merely suggestions for them. There are 15 tons attached to this dashcam. That's how stupid he is. If you're wondering what being a toxic couple looks like, well, this would be it.
No, we're getting out of the road! No! We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! We're not! We're get out of the road!
In Holland, the person you marry is your partner in life and in road rage.
Vieze hond! Wat doe jij? Je rijdt vol tegen onze auto aan! Jij!
Watch the green car. So that the lights wouldn't activate, he used the handbrake.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes, idiot, call 911 right now.
Ah yes, the fast track to multiple citations. When two psychos meet. He discovered an unconventional way of waking up the family in the back. Imagine getting angry for a few seconds delay at a green, only to make more delays worth hours. Nothing beats driving like in GTA in real life. Why do some people call to reinstate asylums? Well, encounters with nut jobs like this are increasing more and more. See that beautiful spotless rear windshield? How about now? I dub these expensive hormonal moments.
What happened? I'm crazy.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Doing it on slippery roads is absolute malice. Yet another reason why BMW drivers have a tinted reputation.
What is your problem?
POV, you're driving on the highway of idiots. Russians always have an interesting way of dealing with things. They know how to kick things up a notch. How hatchbacks are made in Australia.
Yes.
What the f are you doing? And a truck coming around me, idiots. You've got where are you going? 60 kilometers an hour. It's all recorded, mate. It's all recorded. God, it's all recorded. You idiots.
Everything about this shows they're after that sweet, sweet insurance money. The universe has its own way of punishing litterers.